Hey there, this is Shika and welcome to my channel. So, the topic for today is how you can use Canva designs and features in your video editing. It sounds interesting, right? Let's go for it. Let's visit to the Canva website. As you can see, there are many templates here. We will choose logo design template. Let's speed up.
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never.
So if you want to import some things, for example, a text designed by you or an animated element of Canva, an image like this one, or a design which I choose from the graphics section. So don't worry, it is possible to import into the video. So let's download the 3 images first in PNG format, high quality, size 3. As more the pixels, more the resolution you get. And make sure that the background should be transparent, so take this out and download. After this, you can download the video also of the page. Then let's see how you can include the images and videos in your video. Here I have imported all the images and video. Let's select sample video from here. Add the design text.
So let me break it all down for you.
A transition to it. So now you can see that your design text is looking great in the video.
Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. So let me.
Or if I want to put this another one.
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up.
So now we are completed with adding text, and if we want to add animated video, this one, as you can see that there's a white background, therefore it is not looking nice, and we have to remove the white background from the video. Now open Google and type remove background from video. You can see the result in the first only, remove video background 100%, www.remove.vg. Then you click it. After that, there will write now upload video option. Just click it there.
No, I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up. I ain't never. No, I'm
the animated video background is full removed. Now download.
taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. I ain't here to make friends.
So if we want to add a photo to it like this one, here you can see that there is also a white color background. We can remove it by typing remove background from image. If you want to change the color of this image, while not going to this option, you can also go to advanced option. There are many presets over here. You can choose any one if you like.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop.
So here is our outcome. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Be you and be unique.